channel. Okay, if you have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita, and yes, as you have seen the thumbnail and the title, this is going to be a BTS reaction. Now, in my previous reaction of Pied Piper, you guys told me, I read the comments, that apparently there was one more live performance which was equally good, Dimple. But yes, I missed that out. I'm really sorry, but I will do a separate reaction for that. But today's reaction, I am extremely excited because this is the BTS on stage prologue. This is the continuation of their Bangtan Universe storyline. Now, I have already done a reaction to I Need You. For those who have come for the first time, I have another channel, I Just React and Review, where I used to do K-pop reactions, but now I have opened up a separate channel specifically for all the K-pop reactions. In that channel, there were like a lot of reactions and reviews from K-pop, Hollywood, Bollywood, but I specifically opened this channel for all you K-pop lovers. So yes, so the I Need You reaction is there on the original channel. I will of course link all my original K-pop playlist in the description box. So continuing the storyline, I know there is prologue. Then after that there is Run, and then there is the Forever Young epilogue. So this is the prologue one, is quite a long video. It's like a 12-minute video, so I'm guessing there are a lot of scenes and I'll get more context on the storyline. But I will do my reaction of Run and epilogue also today. Of course, all of these will be posted as separate videos, otherwise it will become like one whole marathon. So yeah, without dealing this, because this is a very long video, let's just start with the reaction. I'm really excited. I'm so excited on the storyline. And I got an update that there is this game which is coming out of the same storyline. So I read it in the news, but I haven't checked it out what the game is like, and it's releasing this month itself. So yeah, let's just start. 1, 2, and oh man, this is really exciting. Yes, oh my god, Tae's murder scene. I cannot get over. I love, you know what, that song I Need You, such a beautiful song, but every time I listen to that song, I remember this murder scene that happened in that video. Oh my god. He's all depressed. Oh wow. That was like the biggest shock of my life. I never expected that kind of scene to be there in a music video. But where is he sitting? Yeah, well, what can you do? Murdered your dad, after all. There is no subtitle! Guys, okay, you have to tell me. You have to tell me what he said. I understood Hyung, he said Hyung, and then I don't know who he called. All the decoding will start now since there is no subtitles. So they are all friends, but all are depressed with their own issues. It's like a movie.
뭐야?
Where is Jin?
지영이다.
Oh. My god, after that Pied Piper reaction, I can't get that image of Jin out of my head. Seriously, he is worldwide handsome. I don't know what is written. Oh wow. Here also they are playing rock, paper, scissors. Ooh, I like the sound. What was okay? Butterfly. Is this a song or is it just part of the background music? Ooh, that sounds so good because this looks like a proper movie. That's why now I'm understanding why it is 12-minute long, because this is really not a song. This is the sort of like a short film of the Bangtan universe. Ooh, I really like the butterfly. I think so. Is this before all the problems happened? Like, because in I Need You, there everybody was, because Hobie was taking the pills and he was also depressed. Namjoon was working like at a gas station. Jimin was trying to drown himself, and Tae looks happy. So I think this scene particularly is happening before all the tragedy and depression started. I'm guessing that. Yeah, because it's prologue. How stupid. I want to know how Jin is the main protagonist. Like, how is he the protagonist of the story? With the flower. I do not really know what the deal with the flower is. The score, the background score is so beautiful. Why is Tae standing there? Please don't tell me he's about to jump. Oh no, what is he writing? Armies? You have to help me. What did he write? Because there are no subtitles. This was there in I Need You also. They were sitting like with the bonfire. See, they've slowly started. Yoongi is thinking something. I'm completely decoding this. What is that? Jin is the photographer, huh? Videographer, photographer. Oh no, what are they saying? Did he ask, should we go to this place again? With all the expressions, I'm guessing that is the case. Their picnic spot. They're acting really well, huh, guys? Now they're gone. The music. It's the same car that was there in I Need You. so real. I can just feel it from here. That's Jungkook's voice. Oh my god. That's it, one line? What was that? I'm sure it's not a song because it's just one line. Okay. I think it's switching between past and present, right? That's what I'm guessing. All decoding going on in my brain. Thank God there are not many dialogues. This is their song only, na, which is playing in the background. Aww, so sweet. Jimin is really a small baby. Wow, they've really thought out a lot in the story. So they are besties, both of them. Oh, that song! Jungkook! Oh my god, I do not know what is the meaning of the lyrics because no subtitles, but okay, I'll just enjoy the song. I'm guessing it's an emotional song because of whatever visuals that I'm watching. Oh, that's Taeyeon's voice. Wow. Is it true? Oh my god, which is the song? You know, the beats are so crisp in my earphones, the AirPods, and that's why I'm so able to listen to each and every like ad-lib and note. Oh, that you part is so beautiful. This one. Again he is going up. Taeyeon. Why? Yeah, please calm down. Oh, what a beautiful visual. Wow. Just wow. Is he going to jump? I think he's going to jump. Oh my god. This shot. I have so many thoughts in my head. Is it over? No, it's still. It's over. This was a proper short film, and I don't know, is there a song called Butterfly Butterfly? Because I want this song. I want this song because it sounds amazing. Okay. My guesswork, completely my guesswork, guys, over here. I am thinking. Wait, let me first close this. Okay. Now, my thoughts. I think this story, the visuals are going between past and present because when they are together, they were very happy and stuff. And then there are few visuals where they are, I don't know, getting a little bit depressed. So this is the first prologue, but I think the I Need You comes after this, I feel. I don't know which is first because I Need You was the first video, so I would assume that this is the second one. But this, it says prologue, so I'm guessing all of this visual is before I Need You. And in I Need You, because the first scene where Tay was with, I don't know whom he called someone, and he said young. So I'm guessing he called one of the six, and then what he said, I don't know. So I think that's why I said that it started with that point where Tay killed his dad, and then it goes into flashback where they are all happy and life is simple and all of that. I'm very interested to know. Wow, this is amazing. I don't know who wrote this storyline. I'm guessing it's the boys who thought of creating a separate universe. This is great. You know what? To create a storyline with your videos is amazing because you need to put a lot of thought into how the story is going to progress, what kind of songs you are going to put which is going to be related to the storyline, and these are stories of 7 people. So to show each and every story and integrate them with your albums and songs, amazing, just amazing. I have nothing but praises for these guys from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, this is the reaction to prologue. I hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know a little bit of context of what is going on. I am going to be reacting to this Run. After this is Run, and then there is Forever Young, which is the epilogue. So I'll do the reactions, but I'll post it as separate ones. So that's it for this video. Please comment in your thoughts, and yes, all the other video requests, I know I have taken a note of them. I will do it. Alright guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!